Before you pack your bags, here are 5 useful things to know that will make your journey smoother and more enjoyable. Number 1. Octopus Card is your best friend. The Octopus Card is an absolute must-have when you're in Hong Kong. It's a rechargeable smart card that makes getting around the city super convenient. You can use it to pay for public transportation like buses, trams, ferries, and the MTR, as well as at convenience stores, restaurants, and even some attractions. It saves you the hassle of carrying cash or buying single journey tickets. You can get one at the airport or any MTR station, and don't worry, it's easy to top up at kiosks or convenience stores across the city. You can also download the Octopus app to check your balance, track spending, and add money instantly using your phone. Plus, any unused balance is refunded and you return the card before leaving. Number 2. Public transport is incredibly efficient. Hong Kong's public transport is among the best in the world. The MTR is fast, reliable, and connects almost every corner of the city, including the airport. Buses and minibuses cover areas the MTR doesn't, while double-decker buses and iconic trams offer scenic, affordable rides. Taxis are also easy to find and reasonably priced, though cash is preferred. With everything running on time, getting around is simple and stress-free. Number 3. Be prepared for crowds and small spaces. Hong Kong is one of the world's densest cities, so expect crowded streets, packed MTRs, and compact living spaces. To avoid crowds, visit popular spots like the Peak or Mong Kok early in the day, and plan ahead where you can. Number 4. Cultural etiquette and rules. Cantonese is the main language, but most people in urban areas understand basic English. Smoking is banned in most public areas, with hefty fines for violations, but you can smoke at designated smoking areas, usually marked by ashtrays on the street. On escalators, always stand on the right and walk on the left. Respecting these simple rules, along with polite greetings and personal space, will help you blend in and enjoy the city. Number 5. Cash and digital payments coexist. In Hong Kong, both cash and digital payments are widely used. While credit cards are accepted in most places, many locals prefer using mobile payment apps for convenience. ATMs are easy to find, and most offer services in English, so you won't have trouble getting cash when needed. With these tips in mind, you're all set to explore Hong Kong with confidence.